Hello students, this is your course on content marketing. In this video on promoting content, we are going to talk about email marketing campaigns. Now, over the course of this whole video series, we have repeatedly referred to email marketing campaigns and how they can be used to make your target customers aware of the different type of content that you have, bring them onto your website, onto your social platforms, and encourage them to consume different content formats that you're producing and distributing and promoting. So in this particular video, we'll talk about how that exactly happens. Email marketing campaigns are designed for existing customers because obviously you cannot really send an email to someone whose email ID you don't have. And for you to have email ID, you either need these people whose email IDs you're using to be your existing customers, or they can be potential customers whose email information has been collected through lead magnets, which we just discussed about in the previous video. Which means that these are people who have already been engaged with the brand at some point in time. They're aware of your brand. They're aware of who you are as a sender and what kind of value they can expect from you. Either having purchased some of your solutions in the past, or having consumed some of your free content by way of a lead magnet reward in the past. So these are people who know exactly what kind of content you have the ability to share with them. So whenever you send an email to them, the chances are that they are likely to open it, will not go to spam, and therefore email remain almost 40 times more effective as a marketing tool when compared to a lot of social media platforms combined, even Facebook and Twitter. So that is because this is where a customer expects something from a brand and is more open to receiving that kind of information in their inbox rather than on their social media feed, where they are not really looking to be targeted with ads or targeted with any kind of sponsored content, whereas they are happy to receive such kind of information in their inboxes. Now, free and paid content can be promoted using email marketing campaigns because it is going directly to your target and existing customers. It is also considered as a type of direct marketing, and it can result in high click-through rate if relevance is high. So when I say that customers are happy to receive email campaigns that are talking about new content, both free and paid, when compared to they seeing it on their social media feed, that is because and that is something which can only happen if the content that you're sharing with them is relevant to them. If the content formats that you're publishing, be it blogs, case studies, industry reports, white papers, videos, podcasts, or webinars, if they are very acutely focused on your industry niche and on your topic niche, and they are successively providing value to your target customers, then every time you will share a new content format through your email campaigns, your target customers are very likely to open such emails, click on the links provided on these emails, and visit your website or your social platforms to access the content which you want them to access. And if nothing else, even if you don't land up generating new leads or conversions out of it, you definitely have very high chances of getting good traffic, good amount of traffic on your website and social platforms, as well as very high content engagement and customer engagement is possible through this. Now, virtual events can be promoted through emails. So it's not just that you can distribute PDFs of various types of written content that you're producing. You can also promote virtual events like webinars or podcasts or your new videos that are getting launched on your YouTube channel. You can do that kind of promotion on your email campaigns. This is a good example where multiple events are being promoted by the sender in the same email. And what this person has done is that he has provided a kind of a calendar, that what is happening today, what is happening the next day, what is happening the day after, and then a very special, very specific event is getting hosted on a later date. So that is given a different kind of heading and different prominence because it is a webinar. So as you can see, the email copy is very personalized for whoever the reader is, and the way in which communication is made is very direct and very to the point. And this can only be something that you hope to achieve when you already have an ongoing flow of email conversation or connect with your existing customers to whom you're sending this out to. You can also see that the same email has been used to promote written content also in the last line, wherein a hyperlink is provided, and by clicking on the same, the full list of the new upcoming events is accessible to whoever is interested in seeing that. So brilliantly, they have used single email to promote virtual events, which are video based content format, and textual content format, which they have published somewhere on the website. So they can drive traffic to their YouTube channel through this, they can drive traffic to their affiliate YouTube channel through this, and they can drive traffic to their website also through this. So it is a multi-pronged approach and works very well with the highest engaged audience, who even at times wait for hearing from such senders. Then similarly, you have another example of email campaign that is promoting type of content. As you can see here, the subject line itself says just announced private event with Robert for free. So the subject itself alerts the reader that the intent of the email is promoting a type of a content, which is a webinar, definitely. And when you which means that high open rate can be achieved for such an email. As soon as you open it, you see that the email is promoting an event with another textual content, which is an ebook. Although the purpose of the email is definitely to highlight the virtual event, the private event which is happening. Therefore, there are multiple call to actions. As you can see, there is a click here now link, and then at the bottom, enjoy this free event. At the bottom again, which is the secondary call to action link. So there are two call to actions inserted in the email copy, focusing mainly on the event. So the objective is that they want more and more people to attend the event. Once that happens, they are giving away the ebook as a reward to the attendees, and therefore they have mentioned that it is an added bonus for early registration. But it is not something that they are heavily promoting in this particular email campaign. So depending upon what the company's objectives are with the content that they have produced, and how they want to promote it, how they want to distribute it, variation of email copy can be created, and email campaigns can be utilized to promote the same content multiple times, thereby engaging your users on different days at different points in time, and keeping your brand awareness high, and obviously having good traction for the content that you're trying to promote. So that's about using email marketing campaigns for promoting content. Next up, we'll talk about rewarding customer loyalty with content. Until then, thank you.